Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami cube. So for this you will be needing 6 squares of paper of the similar size. So let's get started. So now you're supposed to open this flap and put this flap inside and close this flap. So over this side just open this flap lightly and then put this flap inside. So then you'll get like a crisscross shape. Now flip it back. After flipping it back, just fold it on its edge like this, down and down. Okay, now we are done with one side. So a cube has 6 sides, so you're supposed to make more 6 of these. Okay, so I have already 6 of them over here. So now let's assemble. So first take one side of the cube and hold it upright where the crisscross is there. Take the other side and first put one of its flap up and now take another flap and put this flap inside this one. So something like this. Okay. So it looks something like this. So we are done with 3 sides of the cube. Now I'm taking the opposite color for the next side. So similarly just hold it like this so that it does not fall, because until you assemble it completely it might just come out. Okay, and put this here. Okay, so you're done with 4 sides. So it looks something like this on all its sides. Now let's do the top one. So we're done with the 4. Now we'll do the top one. So I'm going to take another side and I'm going to just put it like this on the top. Okay, like this on the top. Now I'm going to put this one inside this and this flap inside this one, so it will look something like this. And now the other 2 sides which are coming out like this, you're supposed to put these flaps just like inside this one. something like this. Similarly, you're supposed to put this one into this, and then just it might come out like this, so just push it in. Okay, now similarly you're supposed to do it on the other side as well. Put this in first. Okay, now after it's in, bend this slightly and push this in. Bend this one slightly and push this one in. So okay, so we are done with this side, but these two flaps are coming out, so we put this as well inside on the other side. So you like this one will go inside this one. So this is your cube. It is really super and easy. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Share my videos as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.